In today's video, we're going to be looking at our users in macOS and how we can use this to also reset our Mac if we're selling it to another person. As usual, we need to go to our system preferences and then click on users and groups. So as you can see here, I'm in my Kazzitips account and I need to click this lock to make changes. And so I've got to sign in as an administrator, which will be my account, to make these changes, which I'm not going to do right now, but I can still talk you through the options we have on this. So once we've logged in, we'll be able to change our password and information about our user account, and also see our login items, which will open automatically when we log in. For example, on my other account, we can't see it now, but I've got Spotify to launch because I like listening to music when I'm using my MacBook. Also from here, these plus and minus buttons allow us to add accounts, like the Kazzitips one I'm using now, and also take them away. So be careful with taking away accounts, because once you remove your account and there's no other users left on the device, it will treat it like a new device, and so when the next time you turn it on, it'll all be gone and it'll be like you've just brought it brand new again. So it's a useful trick just for starting your Mac again, maybe if it's running slow or if you're selling it to another person. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on Office 365, IT solutions, cloud support, and many more services.